Hello my friends. Well, I'm going to try something today I've never tried before. I'm going to do a puddle pour. I haven't done it before because, to be perfectly honest, I don't care for the way they look. They don't do anything for me. But I thought I'd give it a try, and then I'm thinking of adding some ribbons on top of it, and maybe then I will like it. So I'm going to give it a go. Now I'm thinking that my paint is too thick. I'm thinking that right now as I lay that down. But I'm going to try it anyway. This is my Polycrylic mix, and it is on the thicker side. I think I'll just try 3 puddles. And I do want to reserve some of these first 3 colors for the ribbons. What am I doing? Is that all the colors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I'm going to need to start over again. Oh well. I wanted the rings to be different, but they're looking the same. Okay. And I know some people would run their finger or a stick through, and that's what does not appeal to me. So I won't do that. So don't suggest it, please. I've never liked that look for some reason. Puddle pour or any kind of pour. To do that, it just goes against my grain. I don't know. I'm sorry if I offend anybody with that, but we're all entitled to feel how we feel. And you are certainly entitled to not like what I come up with. Okay, now I'm going to add these 3 colors, the green and the 2 purples, into together. Oh, what a dope. I should have just poured it in the green cup. What? I do that frequently. So dumb. Scrape it all out and put it in another cup. Okay. And that will be my, those will be my ribbon colors. I love how that purple looks next to the green. I'm using Arteza colors, by the way. I'll list them all down below, but they're the metallics, mica colors, red raspberry, royal purple, pearl lilac, and pastel green. Now, purple I didn't have enough of, so I did add some a different purple to that to beef that up, but that's the only change I made. Okay, now I'm going to do some large ribbons. I'm gonna start with that and move it around and see. Oh my gosh, it looks like a pug to me. Look at it, look at that. If I turn it around to you, I should let it dry. It's an abstract pug. Okay. I wanted to use kind of spring colors. We're having such miserable weather over so much of the U.S. Even here in California, it's pretty cold, but nothing like a lot of the country is facing. My thumb is coming out of my glove. Okay. All right, now okay, got a good coverage on the canvas. And now some more ribbons. I'm going to add this. Oh, this was not. What was this? This was aqua. This was a Master's Touch, I believe. Add some of that here. Okay, and some more ribbons. How do I want them? Let me count the ways. Trying to visualize. Wow, that's an optical illusion there to me, with that little narrow green, purple line there. Looks like a shadow, really looks dimensional. I like that. So I don't want to hurt that. Let's see. Sorry, I'm trying to figure where I want to go with these. I'm going to crisscross that and come over there. And one more. I'm running out of the dark though. It's pour some of this pink in there just to jazz it up. Okay, kind of psychedelic almost. I think it's worth exploring this a little more. The reason I used the polycrylic mix was because I wanted to keep the lines that I added to stay in place. I wanted everything to stay in place. And with a thin mix, it just won't work. But I think it's kind of fun. Oh, and I've got that darn light in the way. Let's see. Sorry, there's no avoiding that light. It's nighttime. But this is the shadow effect. I really like that. And you see how those lines I applied, they will stay just like that. Okay, well that's kind of fun. I don't know if that color palette would appeal to anyone, but it's very happy looking, isn't it? Okay, my friends, thanks for joining me. Bye now.